Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
So, my doctor called me. She said she needs some videos of my new leg. So what's so special about this leg, y'all might say? Y'all might be like, yo, you've been having prosthetics, you've been having fake legs, you've been moving that way. What's so special? This is what's so special about that. See, first I'm gonna show y'all, I'm a wheelie with the red leg on, regular leg. This is like how all my other legs was designed. Then I'm gonna take this special back piece off, and I'm gonna show y'all after I take that panel off how I wheelie. It's gonna be 2 different wheelies, I guarantee it. So we're gonna go from there to here, and I'm gonna show you the difference.
Damn.
Yeah. See the range of motion? That's the only thing. My range, I can't go all the way down. Can't go all the way down. See, look, I'm gonna try to squat just to show y'all. No cap in my rack. I can't go all the way down. So let's take this back piece off and see what happened then. New improved leg. We got suction and we got a pin on this bad boy. And voila, the back piece is off. Let's see what happens. She said I shouldn't walk like that, so let me not walk with it. See? Now look at my range of motion now, y'all. What? Stand there and set my booty on the ground. See the difference? Now let's test it out on the bike. This is my first time ever. Different leg, bro. See the range of motion? Look. I would not be able to do that. I would not be able to do that if I had that panel in. So I can sit with my leg like this now. Not done. Look. Sit with the leg like that. So that's basically what it is, right? The range of motion is different. So this is the reason. The range of motion is way different. Look, I was trying to walk on there, but look, bust them squats out. I didn't squat in at least 5 years. I ain't squatting 5 years. Look, I could get in there too, look. What? Although the leg, this support is good for a lot of things, one thing it's not good for is walking. Cannot walk like this. So with me doing that move I just did, well, you can walk, but you can't put like a lot of pressure on it because of course you're only halfway in. But if it wasn't for OPC, I wouldn't know what to do. Shout out to my boy Elliot, OG, you know, my OG prosthesis, Elliot, and my new true and dear prosthesis, Sarah, man. Go to Fairfax, Virginia if you want to get your leg. If you get in an accident, bike life, you know, being the life and riding bikes, and you, hold on, let's show the squats, because they might be like, oh no, he trying to get a sale. Come on this side. I'm gonna try to do the same stuff. I'm gonna try to squat with the leg, with the panel on. I just showed y'all the squats with the panel off. Now this is the squats with the panel on. Watch it. You see how far I went? That's it. You can't get down there. If you want to get them lumps right. As you see, this is me doing the squats with the panel off, and here's me doing the squats again with the panel on. You see the difference? Can't get down there, so. All right, let me do a no hand, and we say it's done.
Now he know damn well we live in an HOA.
Just like that, we done.
Remember I was fucked up and going through it. The God sent me a plug. Hey, won't he do it? So I ran my bands up. I was really getting to it. Then my man switched up. How? I fucking knew it. My life like a movie. I need me a Oscar. I'm a trap athlete. Where the fuck my ass be? Niggas out here snitching, trying to help the laws catch me. I pay for 10 from me till goddamn the plug bless me. Won't he do it? Yeah.